Guys, I'm making a video. Well, the voice that I'm on now is not my real voice, so the one that you hear on YouTube, it's not my real voice. So yeah, I sound different in real videos. So no, I mean, I sound different in real life. So, yeah. So I'm making a new video. Big Brother, I like the show. Hayden's probably gonna win. Can't believe the Brigade made it this far. Maddie sucked. Matt sucked. So yeah. Yeah. That's it. I'm just saying I'm still making videos. So I'll be making more videos in about 2 months or a month or so. It'll be cool.